In a village in China's Hebei province, a 31-year-old Pakistani woman was performing Chinese folk dance Yanko with other villagers as part of a celebration for the Chinese New Year. Sai'ra Ekhtar married a young man here in 2018. This is the 5th time for her to spend the Chinese New Year in China. She not only learned Yanko, but also sought to incorporate Pakistani dance moves into the performance. Every spring festival, Sai'ra and her family would put up window decorations, hang up cutlets, and make dumplings together.
Surprising festival is my favorite. Poti sitane jega santajiya, mifa, cheezowa, chungwa jega chawza, chila, chilya, feithan chincha, kunya, feithan chicha.
Last year, Sai'ra's family had a bountiful harvest in their peach orchard. Looking to the year of the dragon, Sai'ra is filled with even greater hope and optimism.
I bought a new car at home. The past year has been a happy one. Our village is more and more beautiful. Our life is better and better. Our future will be better.